Alright, so as you guys may have seen in my last video, it would be the one below this. I had a leak on a Kohler engine, and we used some baby powder to trace down the leak because we couldn't find the leak. So today we're going to, rather than pull this motor out and put a new seal in there because it's the shaft seal, I figured I would do a product review. This is a very old machine, so we're hoping it can get us through the season without having to pull the motor. And we're just going to put this stuff in. This is the bars rear main seal repair additive, and it says it stops all oil leaks. All right, seals, timing covers, cam seals, rear main seals, and other hard to stop oil leaks. We're going to put it to the test. Now, you do have to put this stuff in, and you have to let the machine run for a good day or two to let this stuff get through the system and actually seal it. So we're going to put it in now, and the Kohler engine takes about 1.9 liters of oil, which comes out to about 2 quarts. This whole bottle actually treats 6 quarts, 5 to 6 quarts. So we're only going to use about a quarter of this bottle in this engine, and you're just going to pour it in. Right on the left here, I already took the dipstick out. We're just going to pour it in the oil, a quarter of this, and we're going to let it run for a day or two. And we're going to see if this stuff lives up to its name. All right, that's about a quarter of the bottle there. Now, we are going to send this machine out in the field with the crews and see what it does. You can see there's the baby powder is still here, and you can see the leak. You can see it pouring out of the base of the motor there. So we're going to clean all this up, send it out, and then we're going to do the baby powder again and see if it fixes it. So I'll see you guys in a day or two. Okay, so it's been a couple days now, and the crew has had the machine out. I'm going to go take a look at it. It's early before anybody gets here, and we'll see if the deck is saturated with oil again, or if that stop leak indeed solves the problem. Alright, so you can see it's still coming out the bottom there. The base of this deck is all wet again. So they ran this machine for about 3 days. Plenty enough time for that stuff to set in, but you can see the whole deck is still covered in oil. So in my personal opinion, the bars leak, rear main seal leak repair did not work. Not saying it didn't help somebody else's application, but I followed the instructions, I put it in, did not stop the shaft seal leak, but it does say stops all oil leaks. So if you're going to try this on your zero-turn mower on the shaft seal, it might not work. Didn't work for ours. That's my review of it. The stuff doesn't work, so I'm going to go ahead, pull the motor, and just put a shaft seal in there, which I didn't want to do, but we're going to do it. All right, guys, hopefully this helps. See you next time.